Yeah. Hey, heads up, really insecure in your French cut. Who you look so good, mush me meds up. Feel me need a search, girl, put your hands up. You light up my world. No one night stand, keep me cool like a inverter fan. Anything me I do, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one to give me first birth. No prevention, keep it risky. Davido plan, say everything you want to, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one, yeah. Ooh, babe, tell me this. How did it feel when God was removing your wings and sending you to earth? Was the feeling pure or a discomfort? Baby, it's a relaxation when you come to mine. Your tiger stripes reveal the realness of your outlines. Keep it real and the way you speak stimulate my mind. I'm so intrigued by your designs. You light up my world. No one night stand, keep me cool like a inverter fan. Anything me I do, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one to give me first birth. No prevention, keep it risky. Davido plan, say everything you want to, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one, yeah. Don't wanna see you like this, girl, all up in your feelings. And you look so good, girl, you look so good. Girl, don't waste your time and let some foolish decline destroy your peace of mind. Woman, you deserve this, some tender loving.
Shafir. All right, big up yourself. What do you think about his performance right now? We get the judges them involved. Hey, Ara General, what go on? Remember you say Ara, you know, and Tasha Arolin. So you know you're excited.
Boys. Yeah, you know the thing go. Big up yourself, my artist. Give thanks for you being a part of the competition. As you may take the time out to come be a part of the competition. The high voice bad. As you may the topic where you sing about, respect that topic there. As you may deal with the female them. As you may deal with, just do you want to interact more with even the female judge. So you can who want to judge them, you know.
Yeah.
You know what I deal with, because you have them song there.
Yeah.
You see me interact. You see me, but we are seeing more in a competition. You see me, big up yourself. Me rate the high talent. You see?
Alright, me I tell you so much talent right now. Trust me, you bring it, bro. You know what I mean? So we'll move on to a female artist, Lady Tash. Yeah.
It was a steady performance. You understand? I like how you really made what you were singing and I was feeling it. But as I said, the interaction could have been more. But it's a good performance.
Alright, so you know you're winning, my bro. You don't know manners and respect. Alright, so remember, if you really like the artist, remember to put in the vote and keep it in the competition. Alright?